5 November, my friend, at 2021. 5 November 2001. In upcoming, my friends, 6 7 days, my friend. I hope, my friend, to the price, but sometime fades down, sometime moving upward. Definitely, every coin will moving upward, downward. But in the current condition is very critical because, my brother, absolutely in those days, especially short-term investor are starting selling, so the coin were very badly fails down. But in upcoming, my friends, 5 to 6 days, I hope, my friends, to the price will wake up. But definitely when a short-term investor starting selling, then the coin was fails down. But don't worry, after, my friends, the 5th November, after the 5th November, 100%, my friends, I will give you guarantee. Now just in only, my friends, save this video, and when you watch on 5th November, 100%, my prediction is going to be right now. Check out, my friend. And after that, my friend, 100% the price will pumps up. The very huge explosion is coming soon, my friend, because the CEO personally tweet now, my friends, to we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will starting collaboration, then I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will more and more pumps up. You can see it from last 7 days, 13% the price will dumps down. The current condition is very bad, but there is also chance, my friend, to 1st September or 1st November also the price will start pumping up. But after the 5th, my friends, November, 100% I will give you guarantee, my friend. Absolutely, I will give you guarantee, my friends, so they will moving upward. So kindly don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will pump up. Alright, I am going to predicate, but kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, as you can see here from last 12 hour, the price is continuously on the profit. You can see here, so absolutely every coin will moving in this circulation, especially as you can see here. So therefore, my friend, absolutely you can see here the last point, so the arrow is moving in upward direction. That's really good news, my friend, for all of you to prices increasing. And as you can see, my friend, they will hit now $2, but our target is $3, my friend. I hope to they will hit this target at upcoming in the next week and the next month, my brother. So thanks for watching holders. Kindly like video, don't forget to subscribe channel.